Hello everyone, today we are making Nkyekyere, aka Saabo. Let's get started. So I am using 2 cups of corn. This corn have been peeled and also crushed a little bit, and I'm making a bunch of it. That's why I'm using 2 cups. I am going to wash it thoroughly and wash my corn husks. I'll also wash my peanuts. So after washing my corn, this is how it looks like. I'm going to soak it in the water for at least 4 hours. So if you can do it overnight, that is better. I just drained the water after 4 hours, and I am going to add a tablespoon of salt. Now hear me out. This seems to be like a lot of salt. It is, but I am not going to add any other salt to it, and I'm going to use a lot of water to cook it. So it makes sense for me to add 1 tablespoon of salt, right? So this is my corn husk. They've been washed nicely, and I'm going to use this to wrap the corn and the peanuts. So just follow and do it like you see me doing, okay? If you want to eat Saabo or Nkyekyere. I added a little piece of the corn husk to this one because it was a little bit lighter, and also there was a hole in it. That's why you see me doing that. You don't necessarily have to do that if your corn husk is big enough. Now that you're done, wrap it up in the corn husk like this. Now hold the end to seal it so they don't fall, but make sure you leave a space like about 1 inch, and then you shake it for all the wayward ones to fall to the bottom, and then you fold it on top. Then you use your yarn to tie it. So hold it with your thumb, and then you go all the way to the bottom, wrapping around, and come all the way to the top to meet the one you were holding with your thumb. And then you tie a knot 2 times. I'm gonna be showing you a few more times so you get a hang of what I'm showing you, in case you don't get it yet. If today is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. If you haven't done so already, please hit that red subscribe button below your video to support your sister, okay? Thank you very much. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. Please make sure you share, make sure you like it, and also leave a comment, okay? Thank you so much. And please make sure that the yarn that you're using is food grade. All that it means is that it's good for consumption, okay? Sometimes too, the corn husk is not big enough to contain the corn and the peanuts. So you can add additional one to it, and I will show you. So I'm going to shut it up so you can watch it. Now, did you see how I did that? I used 3 corn husks instead of 1. So if yours is big enough, if the ones you get are big enough, then you don't have to go through this process. I'm just showing just in case the ones you buy are not big enough in weight, okay? Then you use your thread or your yarn to tie it. After boiling your Nkyekyere for a while, you have to check whether your Nkyekyere is ready. So you have to make sure the knot that you're creating is easy to unwrap, because it will be hard when you do that. I hope you get what I'm saying. Now all the corn and the peanuts are wrapped up and also tied, so I am going to be cooking it. You can choose to cook yours on a stovetop. It's gonna take you forever. No, it won't take you forever, I'm just kidding, but it take you a long time. Don't forget to add your water. You can be cooking without water, right? So I'm going to add water. I started off with 10 cups of water, and then as time went by, I added 5 more cups. So I used 2 cups of corn, 2 cups of peanuts, and 17 cups of water. So depending on how much you're making, you might be needing more water or less. I hope I made myself clear. Give me some thumbs up I strongly believe mine is cooked now, so let's check it out, okay? So get one out and unwrap it. Let's unwrap it and check it out. Now, see how it's easily untwisting itself. That is the beauty of making your homemade stuff, right? Now look at it. It's pretty hot, but it's good. It smells amazing. It smells like just like I remember in Ghana. It's pretty hot. So when it cools down, everything will come together. It's ready. Look at the corn. I'm tasting it. It's good. The salt is good. It's soft to the marrow. I am a happy girl. Me be chumunum. Sister, what to me why? But me and Didi, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to share and also give a comment. I will see you next time. Bye.